Staying with above seasonal temperatures and pretty much sunny skies all weekend. We reached a high of 4 degrees today. Seasonal for this time of year is -8, so still seeing those above seasonal trends. But by the time we get towards next week, we'll be right back down to those seasonal temperatures. We'll start right now with a look outside through our CTV Skycam, brought to you by Saskatchewan Blue Cross. Good things happen when you take care. Currently sitting at 3 degrees, again well above seasonal. Winds coming out of the west-northwest at 17 kilometers an hour. This time last year, our daytime high was -17, so 4 degrees, a welcome change for many people, unless you're more a fan of the snow and sometimes the colder temperatures. I know some people are. The low for today, -6. This time last year, -27, so quite a difference. As far as the radar satellite and picture goes, like Christine said, for our friends over in Yorkton, still seeing quite a bit of snow today and through the overnight, and a little bit of rain still for our friends over towards Swift Current. As we make our way in towards this weekend, though, here in the Queen City and really throughout much of Saskatchewan, we're going to see those conditions start to clear out and sunshine for the most part across the province for tomorrow. So as we make our way into Saturday morning, we're going to see those winds start to calm down a little bit and the sun will come out. Still seeing those above seasonal temperatures for a few more days. But as we make our way towards Sunday and in towards next week, we're going to start to see our temperatures drop down to what is more typical for this time of year, around -12 and even colder. We'll take a look right now at our current temperatures across the province. Still above seasonal for the most part, 3, 4, 5 degrees. 5 for our friends over in Estevan, and a little further to the north, cooler still up in Stony Rapids with a high of just -19 right now, and a little bit warmer over in Lloydminster with a high of 3 degrees. Tonight, we'll still see that rain-snow mix, bit of snow for some, potential for freezing rain for others throughout the overnight. Again, our friends in Yorkton still seeing quite a bit of snow for them, a high of -4. Much the same over in Swift Current with a high of just -6 tonight. But tomorrow, we will see the sun start to try to make its way out. 0 in Swift Current and sunny skies. Much the same over in Moose Jaw with a high of 1 degree for them. We'll take another live look outside through our CTV Skycam, and just a beautiful night here, even though we are still seeing the chance for some of that rain snow mix through the overnight, but that will clear out by the morning. And again, by tomorrow, sunny skies and a high of -1. Winds fairly calm out of the west at 20 kilometers an hour. We'll take a look at the next 5 days. Right now, brought to you by Quality Tire Service, Saskatchewan's tire expert. And again, sunny skies for tomorrow, seeing a high around -1. The low for the overnight, -8. Seasonal this time of year for that overnight low is closer to -18, so we'll stay above those seasonal temperatures right through until next week. Tuesday, we will start to drop down to a -6 for our daytime high. Cloud cover rolling in through the overnight, cooler still with -13. And by the time we get to Wednesday, we are going to see those typical seasonal temperatures roll back in, and the chance for seeing some snow here in the Queen City, and that overnight low of -22. Very, very chilly.